Hi there. Today's rock talk is another walk talk. This time I'm walking a dog. This is Rocky. Hey Rocky, say hi. Say hi. He's the dog of my niece and nephew, Brendan and Alyssa. They got him just over a year ago. And Brendan, he's visiting his dad right now in Medicine Hat, and Alyssa, she's with her friend. They've gone out of town. And their mom, Amber, is she's in Vegas. So lucky me, I get to walk the dog for a little while. Right, Rocky? Right, there you go. I've walked dogs before. It's a very unique experience, that's for sure. It's very different. All dogs are different. Some like to run. This one, he likes to explore and sniff other people's or other dogs' territories. That's it. We're just getting to another park here right now. That's it. Nothing really special to say today, other than hope you're having a nice day out there in YouTube land. And this is it. Got another nice, unique-looking park here. Calgary's filled with them. It's a very nice place. I'm coming. Okay, and I brought my little baggie, just in case he does a little dumpers. Okay, thanks. We'll talk to you later, and have fun. See ya. Say goodbye, Rocky. Oh, never mind. You don't want to see that. Talk to you later. I just noticed something in the one end of this park. It's another one of the storm drains that the majority of parks here in Calgary have. Because sometimes when we get rain, we really get rain. I just noticed walking through the field there, it was very wet. The ground was really wet from the rain we had yesterday. And I can hear all the water being drained along in here. Hello? And who knows, maybe there's something inside there. There could be some kind of creature inside there. Some sort of troll, or a monster, or a mutated human being of some sort. It's slowing down all of a sudden for some reason. Anyhow, that's that. Just a storm drain during our walk. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye. And the walk continues. Oh, come on. Enough pole snipping. Wonder what it is they smell. 1,000 different scents. Sometimes he marks his territory, sometimes he doesn't. Come on. And then he gets tangled up. There you go. It's about every pole we come to. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, that's it for this walk talk. I'll cut to the ending shot. I'll just cut this one in the middle of the walk talk, or the walking the dog. See ya. Say goodbye. And of course, then it comes time to run. And sometimes, oddly enough, he'll spend 5 minutes in one spot just sniffing the ground at whatever it is he's sniffing. Right, Rocky? Oh, there he goes again. Another smell, another smell. Nope, it's another one of marking the territories. Well, why don't you come along on the walk with us for a little while? Hope you have a nice time walking the dog. Oh, he's just smelling it this time. No marking. Here we go. What do you see, Rocky? Gets a little tiring bending over holding the camera, but it's a neat shot. Okay, we're gonna head back. We've been out here for almost half an hour. Alrighty, hope you had a good time watching me walk the dog or coming along with me walking the dog. We'll talk to y'all later. Have a nice day. See ya.